How to fix Windows 11 25H2 not showing in Windows Update. Hello friends, if Windows 11 25H2 is not showing in Windows Update, here, then follow the steps to fix it. The first method is for Windows 11 Pro version. If you are running Windows 11 Pro, then click on search, type gpedit.msc, click on the same result here. On the local group policy editor, expand administrative templates by clicking on this arrow. Then expand Windows components. Scroll down and go to Windows Update. Expand it and select Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. Come to the right side of the window. Right click on this policy. Select the target feature update version and select Edit. Over here, check the enabled option. In this box, type Windows 11. In the target version for feature update section, type 25H2. Click on Apply, click on OK. Close the group policy editor. Windows 11 25H2 should be shown in the Windows Update settings. The second method is for both the Windows 11 Home and Pro versions. If you are running Windows 11 Home or Pro, then follow the steps. Click on Search, type regedit, click on Registry Editor. Yes, expand H key local machine by clicking on this arrow. Go to Software, double click on Policies for expanding it. Microsoft, Windows, and then select Windows Update. Go to the right pane on the registry editor and create a new string value. Right click, hover new, select a string value, name this value product version. Double click on this value and enter value data Windows 11. Click on OK. Create one more string value. Right click, new, string value. Name this value TargetReleaseVersionInfo. Right click on this value, select modify, enter value data 25H2. Then click on OK. Now create a default 32-bit value. Right click, new, default 32-bit value. Name this value target release version. Set it to value data 1. Double click on this value and change the value data to 1. Click on OK. Then close the registry editor and restart your computer. Then go to Start, Settings, Windows Update. Here you will find Windows 11 25H2 to install. I have already installed this version, so it is not showing on my computer. After upgrading to Windows 11 25H2, we would recommend to delete these entries. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.